So the main reason why we are in the Philippines, because we are back from my original country, guys. Drum roll! Are you ready, guys? This is my life update. So, tapos naabot na kami ng pandemic. So, the main reason, Jax is with me and Hi guys! Mabuhay! It's me, your girl InDaynaMo, and welcome back to my Taglish channel! Hi guys! How are you all on either side of the universe? So guys, for today's video, we are not going anywhere because today I will tell you a story. So I will sit down here and tell you a story. So what are you waiting for? Happy watching! So let's get started, guys. Honestly, I don't know how will I start this video. So there's a scenario during my live stream. Every time I use my photo from our travel, and kung may papasok na bago sa yung live stream, they will ask if I'll use Singapore. For instance, they will ask, host, are you in Singapore? And then for instance, I will use KO photo, and they will ask, host, are you in KO? And then I always answered, no, I'm not in KO, I'm not in Singapore, depends on which country. I'll always answer them, I'm somewhere and I will upload a video soon, and I think this is the right time to upload this video to each one of you who are supporting my channel. And thank you very much from the bottom of my hypothalamus. So, itong video na to, obviously, people who always watch my video and supporting my video, obviously, they knew already where am I. And for those people who are new to my channel, of course, sorry, meron dumaang tricycle. So, of course, hindi nila alam kung nasaan ako. Depends kung ano ang video na i-upload ko. Aside from low ang internet connection dito, and dead sometimes yung connection. So, eto na nga, guys. I think month of June is the best time to tell a story to each one of you. I want you to share this kasi we've been keeping this since last year pa. And hindi ko alam talaga kung ipapublish at i-upload ko siya dito sa aking channel ngayon. So, I decided na i-upload na siya. So, month of June, I think is the right time. So, guys, it started month of June 2019 when Jax and I flew back in Manila, Philippines from Melbourne, Australia. So, galing kami ni Jax ng Melbourne, Australia. And we have a major reason why we flew back in Manila, Philippines. So, we are in Manila po until now na nagka-pandemic na. Yes, nasa Manila, nasa Philippines kami ni Jax rather. And of course, to see my family, my relatives, my colleagues, but we have a major reason why we are in Philippines. So in this video, sasabihin ko kung bakit kami nasa Philippines at why we choose Philippines. And so that was 2019 month of June. And we all know that 2019 is a free year to everybody. No need to wear mask, no need to wear face shield, no need for social distancing required. You can travel domestic and international in and out of the country, right? But no need for vaccine, of course. But kami, nung dumating kami, that was 2019. And wala pang pandemic, guys. So, hindi kami umuwi talaga dito ng urgent, immediately. we did lot of research bago kami umuwi ni Drax kung worth it ba ang uuwi. Since we chose Philippines because it's convenient, it's affordable, it's nandito yung family ko, lahat nandito na mura, you can fly in and out of the country, of course. Pwede kaming mag-travel sa malalapit na countries lang dito sa around Philippines, ASEAN countries. So, nung umuwi kami ni Jax, konti lang yung mga nakaalam nung bumalik kami ng Pilipinas. So, some of my colleagues, some of my mates, because before 2019, I'm very, very active on my socials, such as Facebook and Instagram. So, talagang ma-update sila sa buhay ko, tapos yung mga ganap ko doon, kasi they all knew I'm in Australia that time. So, when they already knew that I'm in nung nalaman nila na nandito kami sa Philippines, they message me, "Why are you in town? What happened? Are you for a vacation?" As yun nga, sabi ko, yes, sometimes vacation, but we have major things in Philippines. Ayun, sinabi ko na yung reason, and talaga. So, ayun na nga, my family, to see my relatives, and this is my origin of country. So, why we need to go back in Philippines, and why in my origin of country. So, 1 year 2019, 1 year when we arrived, 1 year we stay in BGC, also known as Bonifacio Global City in Taguig. We love the area because it's convenient. Pwede kang lakad sa mga gilid-gilid. There's a lot of supermarket that you need on your daily activities of living. Also, nature siya, and but very pricey kasi nandun kami sa Mina, BGC. So, and we are close by. So, ayun na nga. But, hindi kami nagstay talaga ng, as in, we had a contract in BGC in our unit for a year. Tapos, nandun lang yung things namin. But, most of the time, since there's no pandemic that time, guys, we are freely to travel domestic and international. So, we grab the opportunity while we are waiting, and while we doing our major reason, the things that na kailangan namin gawin dito sa Pilipinas, we grab the opportunity to travel domestic and international. So, most of our things is in BGC, in one place, but palagi kami lumalabas ng Pilipinas. We had to, pumunta kami sa Taiwan for 2 weeks. We've been in Malaysia, we've been in KL for 2 weeks. I think 1 or 2 months. Singapore for 2 weeks. Most of our time we spent in Thailand. So we've been in different cities in Thailand: Phuket, Pattaya, Bangkok, Chiang Mai, and some island like Koh Samui, Koh Lipe, and back in Philippines, domestic, we've been in Palawan, Coron, Bohol, Cebu, El Nido. Ayan, hindi ko pa siya nailalagay sa channel ko talaga. It's been 2 years na kasi madami talaga akong videos, diba? Hindi ko naman kasi talaga ma-edit siya lahat, guys. So, I got a heaps of videos coming up here that I want to share each one of you. I want to upload here in my channel. Okay, so after a year that we stayed in Bonifacio Global City in Taguig, or also known as BGC, we moved in Quezon City for a year. So, until nung nag-move kami, nag-travel na naman kami doon while we are waiting, guys. So the last na travel namin was January and February. So yun, yung 2020 ng first 2 months ng 2020, nandun kami sa Hong Kong and Macau. So, we celebrated Jack's birthday in Macau that time, guys. So, that time, nasa Macau kami. And, yung virus, nag-boost na siya. So, that was the time that we need to go back in Philippines as soon as possible. So, nasa Quezon City kami that time. And we are stuck in Quezon City lockdown while we are waiting, guys, dun sa ginagawa namin ni Jax, guys. So, now we are in Clark, Pampanga. So, ginawa ko tong video na to because in my upcoming videos or my coming videos that I will upload, ayoko kayong mawala kasi. So, I got a Australian adventures here that I'm still working on, and there's a heaps of videos here, guys. Okay, guys, so the main reason why Jax and I are in the Philippines, drum roll, because I applied for a visa. Yes, you hear me right? I applied for a visa, kaya nandito kami ni Jax since last year. So, nagka-pandemic na at nagkaroon na ng mga lockdown. So, dito sa aking origin of country. So, there's a 2 types of visa that I will explain will detail in my next videos. Yes, nandun kasi kami ni Jax sa Australia a year ago and bumalik kami ng Philippines. So, we have a journey visa. I will update you in my journey visa, guys, kung ilang months siya nakuha, ano yung mga ginawa naming process ni Jax, magkano yung binayad naming dalawa o niya, and ano yung mga struggles na na-encounter namin along the way, and I will share you all the details. May iyakang naganap dito, and masaya kasi this is the right time na pwede kong i-share sa inyo yung mga nangyari. Kasi hindi ko siya talaga na-i-share before because ayoko siya pangunahan. Ayoko manguna, guys. So, ayun ang ayoko. Ayoko isabi mo na yung mga ginagawa namin. Gusto ko sabihin kapag malapit na, nakuha na ba, kung ano ng process ang meron. So, that's the end of our video for today. And I hope you enjoy watching today. Thank you for watching, for listening for this video. I hope you enjoy and you learn something today. Mega love shout out to each one of you who are supporting now. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. Please like if you did enjoy my video today, and please do subscribe if you haven't yet, and don't forget to hit the bell button for you to notify on my next video, and please comment down below if you like this video po, and see you when I see you on my